Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Sutton. I'm Sutton, and today we're going to take these 8 ingredients and turn it into a super simple salsa verde. So if you're anything like me, and God help you if you are, but grocery store salsa just doesn't cut it anymore. It lacks flavor, vibrancy, and any sort of character whatsoever. So it's very easy to make your own salsa at home. We're gonna take these 8 ingredients and we're gonna have some fresh salsa in no time. If you like what we're doing here at In the Kitchen in Sutton, reach on over there and hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and leave some comments below. Let us know what you think and any ideas on things you want to see in the future. Alright, so we're going to go through the ingredients real quick here. This is really easy and it's just going to take a few minutes to pull together. Obviously we're going to need some salt. We're going to need 2 cloves of garlic. We're going to need 2 limes because we need the lime juice from them. We need about 10 tomatillos, green tomatillos. You can find these usually at your grocery store. They have this papery husk over them. They look like a little tomato with a papery husk. If you can't find these, you don't have access to them, or you just don't want to use them, you can go ahead and use just straight up green tomatoes. That'll work too. We have 6 small spicy jalapenos. These came out of my garden. The ones at the grocery store tend to be a little but you know, you make do with what you got. We need a half of a large onion, coarsely chopped. This is all going to go in the blender, so don't worry about chopping it up too fine. We need 1 large ripe avocado, and we're going to need a large handful of cilantro. Now, if you're one of the unfortunate people that thinks cilantro tastes like soap, go ahead and leave it out. However, it does add a lot of freshness. All right, we're going to need a blender to blend this all up at the end. And then I'm going to use this grilling basket because we're going to roast the tomatillos and the jalapenos before we put them in there. You get a good char, smoky flavor added in. It really hits it off. All right, so this is real simple. We just need to peel our tomatillos, and this papery husk just comes right off. And they're going to be a little sticky underneath, but you know, that's just the way they are. That's all we need to do at first. We're just going to set these in our grill basket. So tomatillos aren't actually a tomato. They're a member of the ground cherry family, but people often think that they're a tomato. All right, then we're going to take our jalapenos. We're going to throw them right into that grilling basket as well. All right, we're going to take this on over to the stove. We're going to roast it over an open burner. Okay, we're going to go ahead and turn our burner on high. So we're going to place our basket right over the flame. We want to get a good char going on both sides of the tomatillos and the peppers, so we're going to flip it after a bit. And you can see we're starting to get a nice char. We're going to keep going until that looks like that all the way over. All right, now that we got those all charred up, we're going to go ahead and cut them up coarse so we can throw them in the blender. We're going to cut the stems off the jalapenos, and then we're going to put the other ingredients in as well. Now I like my salsa to be very spicy, so I'm going to go ahead and leave all the seeds in there. If you like yours to be a little bit more mild, just go ahead and take the seeds out and all the white flesh, and you'll get that good jalapeno flavor without any of the heat. So we're going to go ahead and slide all that into the blender. We're going to toss in our 2 cloves of garlic. Now just let the blender do the work for you. And the half a large onion chopped up. We're going to squeeze in the juice of 2 fresh limes. All right, we're going to blend this up a little bit before we put in our cilantro and our avocado. All right, I like to blend it up until it's perfectly smooth. Okay, we're going to grab a good handful of cilantro. We're going to drop that in. And now we're going to go ahead and put in our avocado. And the avocado is going to give it a nice silky, smooth texture and a good creamy flavor. So I grew up in New York, and I don't think New York is really known for being salsa capital of the world. I really don't even know how I got introduced to salsa, but somewhere along the way, when I was a little kid, I just got addicted to this stuff. And I love eating it. I love it in every single different way you can have it. I certainly never had an avocado as a child, but as an adult, I love these things. They're really quite tasty. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put in the avocado. I've had avocado trees for the last few years. Keep them in my greenhouse. I've been trying to get an avocado to grow. It's not working out for me yet, but I'm not giving up. We're gonna add in a good healthy pinch of salt. That's really gonna bring out the flavor. Okay, and we're gonna blend that again. All right, now that we got this all blended up, we're gonna go ahead and give it a taste test, see if it needs any final seasoning. That's good. It's got some good heat to it, just the way I like it. You got that tangy tomatillo flavor, smoothed over with that creamy avocado. You got the freshness from the cilantro and the garlic and the lime juice. It all comes together and just do a really great salsa. So you want to chill this down, it's pretty warm. Now you can use this on anything. It's not just for dipping chips in. You can put it on your tacos, you can put it over your steak or your chicken. It's great for anything. So this is a super simple recipe, Avocado Salsa Verde, in the kitchen with Sutton. I'm Sutton. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. And as always, keep life an adventure.